We ended off our trip in our most favorite part of the Kruger National Park, Berg-en-Dal and Malelane. You always get surprised by something incredible. In this episode, we saw how a hyena makes his unique call and 3 leopard sightings. The one even had a kill. From Skakuza, we first headed west onto the S1 and then onto the S3 along the Sabi River in the hopes of finding some leopard or lions. We then took the H3 main road down towards Afzaal picnic site for their famous roosterkoek. We never skip Afzaal and always a perfect stopover to have a break and get something to eat. Just after Afzaal picnic site, the H2.2 quickly connected us to the best place to be, the S118, 119, 114 and S25. If you want to see a leopard, this is definitely the place to come to. The next morning on our way home, we took the very long S25 all along the Crocodile River towards Crocodile Bridge Gate. About 10 kilometers south of Skakuza, on the H1.1, we took the S70 turnoff to the most beautiful lookout, the Matakinyane Hill. This means a rocky outcrop, or a koppie in Afrikaans. From here you can enjoy a beautiful scenic view and even see the Lebombo mountain ridge. The Overlander is doing a very good job so far, and the aircon definitely helps in this 40-degree heat wave. The onca bull bar and side steps is giving us great ground clearance, and together with the Tough Dog suspension, it definitely makes a big difference. It is always such a big privilege to see these endangered animals in the wild. With their numbers falling drastically, we need to take great care of them and enjoy them as much as possible. Just before the S118 and 119 turnoffs, the reservoir at James's Waterhole is a daily drinking habit for this clever elephants. The gardenia hide on the S119 is also very popular, and there is always something to look out for. Finally, we arrive at our campsite at Berg-en-Dal Rest Camp. A very nice rest camp indeed. With our very quick camp setup, we never have to rush and can stay out in the park till the very last minute. What the southern ground hornbills are doing here is very interesting. They are eating the dung beetle larvae as one of their food sources, and this they are mainly doing in elephant dung. And so we come to the end of our 3-part series in the Kruger. The southern part of the Kruger will always stay our favorite. As for our next trip, we will be doing the Kruger National Park from north to south. See you next time!